I thought this would be kind of neat. This is an unfinished, paintable and stainable. This is a wood faceplate for your light switches. And I got this at Walmart discount aisle for $1. They're normally for like $3, $4, I believe. I can go underneath the sticker and check. Oh, well, it says right here, $3.97. So it's normally $4. So the dimension is 110 by 110 millimeters in all directions. And I wanted to do this for a friend of mine. Doesn't know it yet. But I'm going to show you. This is completely, and it comes with the screws, so it's completely, it's kind of metal backing on it, so that's cool. But it's wood frame. So, and I'm going to laser engrave an image on it. And I think it would be kind of neat to do. I'm going to start out with 12%. I'm going to line this up. Or try to line it up. Now what I do is I test fire so I can see where I'm at. Normally my image is pretty much where the test fire is. That's where the image starts. So I'm going to line it up like this. Make it straight. And hopefully it's standard. If not, well, that's the beauty of laser engraving. You don't always have everything perfect. 12%, 200 millimeters per second. This is a 40-watt engraver. See what it does. Now the brand of this is called Illumina, E-L-U-M-I-N-A. Look on the back if they have a website. They don't. They do actually. You can get the warranty at amertac.com, amertac.com. You could probably get this at Menards, Lowe's, Home Depot, Walmart. Go online and look for a wall plate, 2-switch wood wall plate. I'm sure you can find this. Now after the image is done burning, I'm going to show what it looks like on an actual light switch. So you kind of get that idea. And this guy's a big fan of Pearl Jam, so I wanted to do a Pearl Jam thing. Since it's wood, you can put anything on it, like photos and whatnot. That would be kind of cool. Put names, whatnot. Seemed to be lined up how I wanted it to. I should have stretched it over so it's further. You can see the image here. I had it lined up over here. I should have moved this over so it's a full width. So now it's only going to do partial of it, which live and learn, I guess. No other place will you be able to find a Pearl Jam faceplate. So this is going to be kind of cool. That's what that wish I'd caught that before I started the engraving. I'm going to stop the video and then I'll record when it gets further down towards the end. That way it's not just sitting here watching us going back and forth. Getting closer to it, you can actually see it says Pro and then it'll say Jam on it. I really wish I had taken and stretched that out to the right so you can actually see it better, but I don't think the guy would care too much. Something unique, something different you won't ever see. You won't be able to buy this online. Unless you want me to make you one, you can go to www.facebook.com/laserbygig. The link will be in the video description. And if you have an idea of something you want laser engraved on a wood faceplate, just give me a message and we'll make a deal on this. I'll probably put my Etsy site up on here as well. If I have my Etsy site up, you can probably find this up on the Etsy site. This turned out better than what I was expecting. I'm glad I did it. You know, watching laser engraving is kind of like watching paint dry. If you made it this far in the video, thank you for watching. After this gets done burning, I'm going to put it up against the wall, against two light switches, and we'll be able to see what they look like. I think it'd be a neat little deal. Something like this, I will probably polyurethane. So if you have to wash your wall down and you wash the faceplate, polyurethane will protect the burnt part from being washed off. So keep that in mind. It will be sealed. It's looking nice. Definitely will be buying more if I see them this cheap. I think this is really cool. Music diehard fans who modified way to personal names, pictures, anything you can think of. You can probably do on this. This is wood. We're at the end of this. Got a real close at the bottom there. Probably will go over. Just fine. Just over the edge. Look at that. Which is cool, you know, the wood's still down there. And here you go. Here's Pearl Jam wall plate for your light switches. Neat. Let's get it against the wall and see what it looks like. There you go. This is what it looks like on a faceplate for your light switches. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys next time.